Hi, my name is Allan Wade, and I'm going to show you how to tie a tie. Let's begin. The first step is to take the smaller side of your tie and make sure it's hanging to about waist length. Next, you're going to take the larger side and just swing it over to the other side like so. Then put your finger on top to hold it in place and put that large side underneath, like this. Then, take that same large side and swing it to the other side once more, making sure you're holding the middle in place with your fingers. See? Next, take that large side and go under and up, like this. Then you're going to take your finger and open the top part of the knot, creating a loop that's just big enough to pass the part you're holding with your hand through, like this. Then use a small part of the tie in the back to adjust. Just pull on it a little and push up on the knot. Use your fingers to guide your tie between the collar of your shirt, and you're done. You look good. You look like you're ready for some serious business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and till next time.